Hi, to create a folder on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, as a first step, hold any app which you want to see included in this folder. For example, let's hold Facebook, like that. And now we need to just drag it onto another app, then drop it here, and now we just created a folder. So it is by default name as social because I have this kind of apps here. And if you would like to rename it or to add even more apps, just hold any free space on the screen like that. Then go in your folder. Here you can tap the name and enter something else, even emojis like that. And if you want to remove some apps from this folder, you would need to hold them like that and then drag it onto the screen. So to add more apps, let's just hold it, move it to folder, and Facebook as well. Just like this. We can do just the same with OneDrive. And this is how this folder will look. Also, you can press and hold it and you'll see this option to edit it. So here we can just enable another size. We got this one and this one. Just select any you like and then confirm the changes by pressing the check mark. And now we can also drag it to the top and remove this folder at all. And that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.